If you have a YouTube channel and you want to learn how to create the best attractive thumbnails to increase your views, or if you want to provide this as a service and make money online as a freelancer, then this video is for you. Hi everyone, welcome to your channel Edu Corner. So this channel mainly focusing on educating software and hardware programming related job requirements, digital marketings. So subscribe if you are new to this channel, and today in couple of minutes I will show you how you can create best attractive thumbnails for your YouTube channel or to provide as a service using your Android phone. So stick with me till the end. Now let's design a YouTube thumbnail. Now to design a YouTube thumbnail, you need a software called Canva. To download a Canva application, you can go to your Play Store. So there in search bar, you can type a Canva. Then you can download and install a Canva application. Once it is done, then open a Canva. As soon as you open a Canva, you will see this dashboard. If you want to design anything, either you can go to a search bar and you type whatever you want, or else you can go to a plus sign on the bottom. There you can select whatever you want to design. In our case, we are going to design a YouTube thumbnail. So let us click on YouTube thumbnail. Once you click on YouTube thumbnail, Canva will show a preloaded templates. Some are free and some are paid one. So you can see there are different thumbnails. Some are a free software or free thumbnails and some are paid. So now in my case, I will choose any template, and here I want to show you how to create a thumbnail from the scratch. So I will select all the elements and I will delete it so that we can get a blank template. Okay, now we have a blank template. Now before designing a YouTube thumbnail, if you want to increase your views or a subscribers, first thing you have to remember is choosing a background color. Because if you go to a YouTube, you can see there are many YouTube thumbnails with a red, black and yellow colors. So if you, while designing a YouTube thumbnail, your thumbnail background should be with some contrast color. So what we'll do, we'll select a blank template and we'll select a color. So in our case, we'll select a blue color. The second step is to select a text or a content. Now to select a content, click on plus sign. At the bottom we have template, elements, gallery, uploads, and next you have a text. Click on text and click add heading. So now you can move the text anywhere you want. Either you can double click on a text, or at the bottom you have an option edit. Now you can add a content or a title which you want to add. Say I will add $20 per day. Now I want to choose different colors for different text. In that case, I will add one more text. I will choose one color for this text. I want to add one more text. So click on plus sign, text and add heading. Then click edit. So $20 per day from home. Now these are my text. So now you can play with that. You can change its color, you can change the size. So now I'll try to change the size. If you want to change the size, click on font size and vary the size. Okay, in the same way for a second text, click on second text, font size, and vary the size. And also you can change the font. So I will select this font and apply to both the text. Automatically it will change the text. Then the third thing you have to remember, changing the font colors. Either I can change the font color, say I can choose a same font color, or else I can choose a different font colors. So I will choose a different font colors. So I will select a text and I will select, say, white color, and for a second text I will choose yellow color. Okay, so our background is ready, our text is ready. Now the third option is to choose your photo. Either you can add your photo, or else you can choose a stock photos. Now if you want to choose a stock photo, you can go to elements. So there you can type, say, surprise. So now if you type, you can see there are many stock photos, stock human photos. Either you can select one of it. Many photos are a paid one, or else you have one more option. You can download and install an application called Image Search Man. You can go to your Play Store and you can download and install it. Here you can type in search bar, say, surprise, and you can find there are many stock photos, and you can choose any one of it. Okay, I'll choose this. Okay, I'll choose this. Okay, download. So it will download to your phone storage. Now directly I can't use this photo because there is a background. Next thing what you have to do is I have to remove the background. Now to remove the background, go to your Chrome and in a search bar you type remove background. As soon as you type, you will get a first link. Click on that. Okay, and upload an image. So upload your image. Done. So it will automatically remove a background and you can download image. Okay, and so now background removed image is downloaded. Now you go to your Canva. So now go to Canva, go to uploads and click on upload file. So now click on the image which you removed a background. It will take some seconds and click on it. So now we have a photo. Enlarge it. You can see how interesting it is. Okay, so now if you want, you can add some clip arts. So in elements, go to elements. I will search, say, money. I'll click on money. So, and I will add one more clip art, say growth. Okay, so now you can see you have created a thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, either for your YouTube channel, or else you can give as a service to earn money as a freelancer. Now if you like this video, please click a like and subscribe button, and also try to share this video to your friends. Thank you.